Hi Spark Shop engineers, my name is Idris Usaidu. I am an aerospace engineer and I work at the Air Force Research Laboratory. I grew up in Cleveland, Ohio, and I knew I wanted to be an engineer based off of the things that I really like. I was really into robots and cars and comics and video games. That coupled with a push to excel in math and science from my father really helped to push me along that line. I studied mechanical engineering actually at Cleveland State University. At Cleveland State University, my favorite thing to do was just hang out with my friends, My day job is aerospace engineering. I have worked on everything from component design through component testing and analysis. I think one of the coolest things I've got to do with my job is to work on a program called Armor, where we're looking at new rocket engines. So, why build rocket engine components? Well, I think what's really important when it comes to rockets is what they allow us to do. Rockets allow us to launch satellites into space, and those satellites can help us see different things going on around the world. In my free time, I love keeping myself busy and learning new stuff. First off, I love to read. I love listening to podcasts. I love listening to music, playing Ultimate Frisbee, playing with my 3D printer. I love watching motorsports. So when it comes to my job as an aerospace engineer, it's important to have a wide range of skills. But if you don't hear anything here that matches up with what you think you have, that's okay. Because we all have our own innate skills that when we put them all together, they allow us and enable us to do different things. As for me, one, I really love math and science, so anytime I'm talking to someone about a new technology or a new concept, I can sit down and listen and kind of grasp what they're saying rather easily. The second skill, I have a deep love for technology, like how does it work and how to continue to push the envelope of designing new technology products that we all use. I would say a third skill that I have is that I am pretty easy to talk to, know how to ask good questions, and knowing how to listen, I think is a really, really important skill because that will allow people to be comfortable with you and to open up to you. I think my favorite part of the design process is the brainstorming because you can just throw any and everything that you want to consider out. It really allows you to sit down and work with your team and to collaborate and to bounce ideas off of one another because that's what you want to do as an engineer. You want to be sitting down there and coming up with really, really cool ideas. It's just really, really fun to do. Remember, there's no such thing as a bad idea. Even if it seems like a bad idea, try it and just see what happens. And with that, I am so excited to be here as your aerospace engineer guide, and I hope that you have as much fun being an aerospace engineer as I do. Have fun.